Happy birthday to Mom.
Blow the candles.
Happy to Mom.
Good job. What's he trying to do?
He's trying to go up with me and think he's doing that.
What is he trying? Is he trying to eat?
Yeah. He's trying.
Give him some milk.
Say only mamas can feed babies.
Only moms can feed babies, not boys. Lincoln, what are you doing? She's just pushing my neck away. This baby
Hey,
is...
what's your favorite part about Lincoln? What do you like to do?
I like to hold him and kiss him and smell him a lot.
What was that last thing you said?
I
Smell them.
Yep.
Yep. You all show me what you always do.
I smell and kiss him.
Yeah. How come?
Because he's my best baby.
He's your best baby,
Just
and he
look-
smells so good, huh?
Even I like holding him.
Yep. I know you do.
Hey, get my shirt wet. Oh, Mom, look at this. Oh. What is that thing right there?
He slobbered all over you. Linky, what you doing in Oh, that's a little better. Now we can see your face. Your pretty little face. Huh. That's a little bit better. Huh.
He has you.
Oh, that's a pretty little face.
So
A scrunched up
Mom,
face.
guess what? Do you know how I play with him? I just rub his nose with my nose.
Oh, that's a fun game. Huh? Should we change your diaper? Did you show him all of our luggage over here?
Oh, best part of the day.
Oh, best part of what day? You were asleep while I was packing that stuff.
No, the best part of the day is the fact that the kids are going and we have the weekend to ourselves. That's amazing. What'd you find?
Open. Oh, that's some more bubbles.
Oh, yeah.
Did a neighbor bring you kids over some
Yeah,
candy?
who was it? What is it?
Sophie.
Sophie.
So,
Olivia's
boss.
little friend. Aunt Ruby is coming. First, look at his belly button. It came off, so we're gonna bathe him soon.
That's a pretty button.
Yes, it is. Aunt Ruby is coming to pick up the kids, and she said, I'm not even giving you a chance to say no. I'm gonna come pick them up, and we live several hours away from each other, and she's gonna drive up here. She's gonna get the kids when Olivia gets home from school, and she's gonna keep them for like 4 days. I do. I feel a little bit spoiled. I do. I feel like everyone's been too good to me. Joel has the next couple of days off, and so we're just gonna be with the baby, and then he has a big weekend of work, huh, Joel?
Yeah, that's a poopy weekend.
Wow, you're making a little bit of a mess there, huh?
What you got, bud?
Treat.
Tweet.
I swear that's like a kid's first word. Just treat.
Do you want me to help you?
No.
He hates when I open a treat for him. Boston open. Boston open.
Yeah, he'll give himself a few attempts and then he's like, all right, Dad,
Okay,
just
please
do it.
open it.
Just do it.
Open.
Yeah. Nah.
Here, I'll help you.
Oh,
Let's
this is
see.
like slime. You got a pretty good attempt. Probably got a little bit in there.
Oh, that's funny. What do you say?
Thank you. I got 2 Tootsie
Wow.
Rolls. These are called
What?
little Tootsie.
Joel, I was
They're called Tootsie Rolls.
I was literally gonna say wait, what are they called? Don't put that in your mouth yet. Hold on. What are they called?
Tootsie Rolls.
The best kind.
Speechless. Huh. He knows what you're talking about, though.
Oh, that's funny. Oh,
There's a watermelon one. Is there any black licorice ones?
Oh, it's been really hard for me not to eat those. Yes, there is black licorice ones. The white ones, the
With the
white
black
ones
stripes?
with black. I'm like, kids, those are spicy. You can't have them. Ooh, those are caca. You don't want them. Last night, Lincoln slept from. How long did he sleep? We put him to bed at 11.
Yeah.
And he woke up at 5:30. 11 to 5:30. Not too shabby.
Dad, can I have one of those?
It's spicy.
I like those. I like spicy.
No, you won't like them. They're caca. I am home by myself, and not completely by myself. Baby's asleep, Boston's taking a nap, and I just had the luxury of taking an amazing bath that was much, much needed. Believe it or not, this took like 7 tries to put my hair up in a bun. I'm like, you know how like when one piece is pulling or whatever? Anyway, I was having a rough time, and I thought I could hear something like out in the house, and I was like, what is that noise? And I come walking around the corner, and you can see like a little head of hair right there. It freaked me the heck out. And as I got closer and closer, I realized it was just Tina. Tina, dang you. Freaked me the heck out. I was like, Boston can't get out of his room. I know nobody else is here. Who is laying on my couch? Anyway, I think that I'm a little overexcited because my sister's coming, Ruby, to get my kids like we told you earlier. And I don't know what it is about sisters that kind of give you a little bit of energy. It's like no matter how tired I was, because I'm tired. I woke up at 5:30 to feed the baby. Yeah. 5:30, 6:30, yeah, and then I got Olivia ready for school, and I was like, well, I'm up, I may as well just stay up, and I cut Cody's hair, and I was like, well, all right, Boston, I already have my stuff out, so I cut Boston's hair, and I think I was just a little overly excited to have my sister be coming. Anyway. Oh, thank you. He looks at you like, you getting this, Dad?
Hey.
Okay, can you burp in? Oh my word.
Can I burp in, Mom?
Yes.
By burp, she means cuddle.
Did you miss him while you were at school?
Yep.
How cute are her shorts? Grandma Hoellein got those for you.
Ooh, they lolly.
They are to die for.
Come on. But I should 4 now.
You gonna help me hold him? You know how to hold him. Can I like go cheek to cheek with him? I'm like, yes. That's like Ruby's infamous pose right there. And I'm like, were you just now? Were you asking me if you could go cheek to cheek? Were you or no?
No, I was telling.
Okay.
I was like, Olivia, let go of him. I want to go cheek to cheek.
I thought you were asking me. I was like, he's already at your face and I haven't answered. But of course the answer would be yes. What were you saying, Mom?
She gets high.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh my word. Can I nurse him? Please.
It's gonna be a little rough.
Things might get a little weird.
Here, just turn the camera off for a second. We're gonna...
Oh, he's so sweet.
So okay, so let me see this. Who's who? This is Chad.
No, this one's Chad right in here. And this is me, and that's Russell right there.
Can't you tell?
It's obvious now. And then who's on this picture?
Abby, Olivia, Abby, Julie, and then this is the closet, and then this is the bed for Sherry, Julie, Abby.
Okay, and did you put Eve in the closet? Is that why I can't find her anywhere? Oh, you just don't like her?
Well, I like her. It's just like a big room, like right here.
You know what? Until you get into kindergarten, Grandma can pick you up. But once you get into kindergarten, 1st grade, it's all over. Okay?
You might think different with Boston.
Boss is pretty.
Olivia, you're cool.
This little man has eaten, and we burped him. Is he looking at you? No.
No.
I'll turn around. Oh. Okay, he doesn't want to be filmed.
Oh, but he's so cute. Look at me, bud.
Look how just little he is. Honestly, I do not want him to grow out of this little teeny tiny baby stage. Like, look at him. He still likes to be scrunched up. Like,
Still likes his knees at his chest.
yes. So he's full. His diaper is changed. car with Aunt Ruby still. Oh, I forgot his pants. Hold on.
Well, he's gonna be so sad. It's okay. Your puppy dog's here. Your puppy dog's here.
I feel like we're partying because the kids are gone.
Putting a bed to baby, or by partying she means we're putting him to bed and gonna get a good night's rest.
Party.
Well,
Party.
because in the morning when he wakes up, I'll feed him, put him right back to bed, and then we get to sleep for like 4 hours.
Thank you, buddy.
And I'm really excited. Oh, hey. I'm sorry.
Look at his cute pants, though.
No, they're like too big on him still. Okay. Okay. Let's swaddle you up. I am a huge fan of swaddling babies. I think it's my favorite thing.
You're doing that wrong.
No, okay. It's fine for now. Tell him why. Tell him why you like
Okay.
the opposite arm.
Bonnie and I have a huge debate because I think the way that a baby is swaddled can influence which hand they are dominant with. And all of our children have been swaddled a certain way so that they're right-handed. Not that it matters that they're right or left, but I think it influences it. So I've tried to have Bonnie make him be influenced to be right-handed because I think the way that if you're swaddling somebody and you're right-handed, you can, to me, I think you make the person left-handed, and then it'll go vice versa. I know it's silly and probably ridiculous, probably not even true, but I don't know. Just a
Because
thought.
of what hand they get out first.
Right. I think the hand that gets out of the blanket first will be the dominant hand. It can't be that crazy. Does that sound crazy? I don't know. Man, it doesn't even matter either. Lefty or righty, doesn't even matter. Oh my gosh.
Yep, this is what we do every time.
My bud.
Because he likes to lay on me. Like, I think he likes feeling me.
I
Yeah.
gotta get on pace with you so it's not
And
so...
oh, I'll hold still.
There you go. I kept moving.
Well, and I like to keep burping him too, just to make sure he doesn't have any bubbles in his tummy.
He likes a little pat though. Even if he's not burping him, just a little pat on his chest and on his back, he likes it. I've watched his eyes get pretty droopy.
Yeah. Usually by now in the evening, the kids are already asleep. Tonight they're gone in this case. But Joel will usually read to me while I finish nursing or while I burp the baby. And I don't know, we get out of the habit because normally we just sit and watch TV all night. But whenever I have babies, it kind of like restarts us. Don't you think, Joel? Like,
Oh, man.
We usually utilize our time just a little bit better.
And we even started a new book, so it's
Yeah.
good. Which a neighbor brought us dinner, and then when I took our pan back, she's like, oh, I have these couple of books you might read, and she's given me some books in the past that I've read that have just been amazing. And anyway, she's like, oh, you can't go without this, so we've started that one.
Yeah, that was kind of fun. Well, you guys, I'm going to burp my baby, and I'm going to wait till he's nice and drowsy, and I'm going to lay him down. And then me and Joel, we're going to
Hit the hay.
go to bed, sleep in the morning after I feed this guy again. Well, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.
Bye. I had a really nice time.
Look, he's drowsy. Oh, no. Okay. Good night, baby.
Droopy though.
Oh, yep, he's starting to get drowsy.